Hi my lovelies, and welcome back to yet another vlog. I'm whispering because it is late at night and I want to do my skincare and I just done my nails. So a little backstory. I told my husband to pick my nails and he picked these ones. He picked these really short nails because I have a pile or a stack of nails that I keep at home, so I just fix them on the go. I have some products to review tomorrow, so I just wanted to do my nails tonight so that tomorrow I can just go ahead and film. So I told him to pick my nails and he picked these short ones. Is this a sign? Is this a sign to ditch long nails? I love long nails, by the way. Anyway, I just want to have my bath to exfoliate because I don't know if you guys can see, I have some products build up. But yeah, the boys are finally in bed and this house is quiet again. So yeah, quick shower and then I'll come back and we'll just, most likely will be a voiceover because I don't think I can sustain this volume. It's quite annoying to me. Yeah, so I'll see you guys.
What the dog doing?
Hi loves, and welcome back to the channel. I'm just trying to get ready here. This is sort of a ritual that I do nearly every Saturday. I try to get ready halfway for the next day. I mean, Sunday is the only day I do a proper glam. So here I'm just trying to take off excess hair that I have around my chin, my jawline, my eyebrow area, and just necessarily any area that I feel like I have a bit of growth. And once that is done, I just brush that out with a spoolie, make sure that I have what I need and I take away what I don't. Then I can just go ahead with the rest of my skincare. I'm using this Ordinary Glycolic Acid. I think that's the name. I don't even know what it is right at this point in time, but it just helps with, you know, hyperpigmentation and all of that. And then I'm going in with this Centella product. It is so good. It feels like the snail mucin when you use it, and it leaves your skin glowy. Anyway, I'm just logging in moisture with this Cicaplast, Cicaplast from Roche-Posay, and it locks in the moisture. When I tell you, it locks moisture in. Moisture is not gonna leave your skin with this thing. It leaves you glowing afterwards. Anyway, once all of that is done, I'm just going to make sure that, you know, we're smelling good. Hello, it's important. It's not just important to take a bath, well, smell good. Yeah, and then I'm going to go over my skin with this oil. This is Aveeno. I don't really use Aveeno in the past. I mean, this is my first bottle, I think. First or second bottle, I can't really remember, but I'm not really loving how the oil lasts. I don't know if it's just me being partial to Palmer coconut oil, but I think I prefer the consistency of the Palmer to this Aveeno, and I feel like it lasts a bit longer. Anyway, lip gloss to moisturize my lips and castor oil for my hair, and that's it for the night. I'm just going to get ready to go to bed. And when I say go to bed, I mean continue editing the video that goes out on every Sunday morning. So once I get into bed, it's not a guarantee that I will go straight to sleep on a Saturday night. I'm usually up editing the Sunday vlog before I go to bed. So usually my preparations are sometimes late, and this is why I sometimes miss my deadline. Hi lovelies, and welcome back to the channel. It's a Sunday. It's a Sunday. So makeup is done. I'm putting on this blazer from Shein. This bodysuit as well is from Shein. My belt, I can't remember where I got it from. My bag is from Teddy Blake. My red trousers, full fit to be on the side, are from Shein as well, and they have pockets. I love them. Well, more to the point, you guys, my jewelries are the star of the show. This 3-piece here is from Juelia. This is a lovely statement piece. I absolutely love it. Jewelry. I love all my rings from Juelia. I got this in a slightly bigger size because I can choose to mix and match this anywhere I like. I mean, this is what it is, all split up. You can choose to mix and match them any which way. I just absolutely love all of it. I just love how versatile it is, really. Very, very lovely. I also got this necklace. Got this really lovely necklace. It has a cross and a crown all tangled up in one, and no matter how you try, this crown can never come off the cross. It's really lovely. I got this in the spirit of Easter. And finally, my earrings are so lovely. It's like a palm leaf. That is my full fit. Scent of the day is from Dossier. I have my aquatic lime over here. Very lovely. And I've paired that with my Lady Marmalade. So I just have this traveler's one that I use. That is my full fit of the day, and I just have my Van Cleefs here and just want to match my trousers. Actually, we're back from church. I don't know if you can tell. I'm just about to take off all of this and take it up, because before I get into cooking mode, I need to be well rested, or else I'm gonna cook rubbish. We stopped by the African shop on our way, and let's just say that Rodo is gold. I got a small pack of Rodo, and I didn't look at the receipts. I don't know how much that pack was, but I'm just going to have to manage that pack of Rodo, because Rodo is now gold. I'm even fortunate enough to even find Rodo in the first place. Anyway, I bought Rodo. I bought a bag of turkey. I got Gary, palm oil, seasoning cubes. Boys picked out chin chin and chips, our staple. And at this point, I think I need to order another pack of 10 packs of kuli kuli, because this weather is Gary weather, and Gary cannot finish. That also means our kuli kuli cannot finish. Okay, so this morning when I was all dressed, this belt was inside this blazer, and then I got to church and it suddenly occurred to me that the belt should be outside the blazer, and then so forth. And that's what I did. I think it looks better this way, but you guys didn't get to see what it looked like before, so I don't see what the point is. Anyway, the boys are on their midterm break. This is the last week they have to spend indoors, and we usually try to take them to the beach, but we're going to see how this week pans out. I have this entire week off. Gosh, I'm so tired. I'm talking here in the bathroom because I left a mess in my bedroom when we were leaving for church, because I couldn't find the wig that I wanted to use. Every week oh baby, hello. Yeah, Eloni. Yeah, that's my friend. She got this really lovely pack of brownies for Easter, and I just want to get 2 more packs for the boys to get for their packed lunch when they go back into school. But it's not something I'm going to have to leave in. It's not something I can leave in the pantry or where the boys can have access to, because they ate those brownies in an illegal manner, so I'm going to have to keep them away. I was saying, there's a mess. I mean, I have my wigs just thrown on the bed, and I just want to do this really quick unboxing before I take all of this off. So yeah, content was content. These are my shoes. My shoes are from Shein, by the way. I'm a walking and talking Shein billboard. I am. Even my wig is from Shein. If you know, you know. Thank you again to Juelia for sponsoring this segment of the video. It's always a pleasure working with you. Can you guys see me? Can you see me? Allow me to be vain because this ring is such a statement piece. Anyway, you guys, I will see you in the course of the vlog. Bye. Anyway, not too long after that, the boys came to drag me from the bedroom and they were hungry. But the only thing I had to give them was this cake we had left over from Cake Box. I showed you this in a couple of vlogs ago. They sent me this really lovely Dubai chocolate cake. And thank God that this cake was left over because the fridge was empty. Like I said, you guys, well, the OGs on the channel probably know that Sunday is the day we bulk cook. And that's when I have like loads of food in the fridge. But on this particular day, there was nothing. We had finished it all. Thank God this cake was there. It was such a huge lifesaver. Anyway, that's it for today's vlog. I will see you in the next one.